In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import lists of items into the Contact Form Advanced widget's controls. I will then show you how the imported list can be used in the Selection List control so that your visitors can select multiple items in the list. In my example, I am running a company that delivers fruit to businesses. Customers can make up their own fruit bowl by choosing different types of fruit from a predefined list. To start, I'm going to import a list of different fruits into a selection list control type. If you have a large number of list items that you want to add to a control, bulk importing your list from a pre-prepared text file will save you time and effort, as you do not need to add list items one by one using the Add Option button. The Import Text File feature is used to import your predefined list, and can be used on any control that supports this feature. To import a text file, you will first need to set up the list of items in a specific format. For this task, all you need is a word processing app. Open the app and create a new blank document. In my example, I am using Apple's Pages app. Enter your list items as one continuous line. Separate each item with a comma. When finished, do not include a comma after the last item. Next, export the file as a plain text file. For example, in Apple Pages, that's using the File, Export to, Plain Text menu option. Once you have exported your text file, go into EverWeb and add the control type that you want to use. In my example, I am going to choose the Selection List control. You can choose other controls such as checkbox, radio button, or drop-down menu, as they also support the Import Text File feature. Click on the Import Text File button and choose the plain text file that you just exported. The option list will be filled with the items from the text file. Check the list to make sure that the import has been successful. If you have made a mistake in the list, you may easily be able to manually correct it. If not, delete the option list, then go back to the list in your word processor and correct the error. Re-export the list, then re-import it into the control in the Contact Form Advanced widget. Once the option list has been imported, preview the contact form to see how you can use the Selection List field. The Selection List control lets your visitors choose one or more of the items listed. To select a continuous block of list items, select the first option in the list that you want. Next, hold down the Shift key and click on the last option that you want. This will highlight all of the options between the first and last selection. If you want to select options that are in different places in the list, select the first item that you want. Next, hold down the Command key and click on each of the other items in the list that you want to select. Remember to keep the Command key pressed down when selecting your options.